Of course, I would like to thank the CF Moto Philippines headed by their President CEO, Tito Boy Lu, all the way from the
Cheers, cheers!
Again po, to John, RJ, and RB, maraming salamat at palakpakan sa mga. Thank you very much for being here. Mabuhay po ang Team Wheeltech at Enduro. Maraming salamat and enjoy the rest of the day.
Yun. Cheers, cheers. Congratulations.
Parang mas gusto ko na lang mag-ride sa magsalita.
Congrats. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Di po bukas, boys. Shout out, Naked Boys. Naked Boys. Hello po, boss. Yun, no? Yun, napakaganda naman po ng event na to. So, ang saya. Open na ang Autobot dito sa San Leonardo. Ito yung tropa natin. Ano pangalan pare?
Benedict.
Benedict. Ayan, shoutout Ken.
See you po sa shop. Visit lang po kayo sa Autobot Off-Road Nueva Ecija, located at San Leonardo. Malapit lang po sa Jollibee.
Yo.
Boss, thank you very much.
See you, boss.
Nice to meet you.